Hello everybody and welcome to Little Tree English, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills and using English in a one-to-one roleplay. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 12, using long vowels. Our sounds are ache, aim, ain. We begin with the ache. Ache, ache, bake, bake. Ache, ache, cake, cake. Ache, ache, lake, lake. Bake, cake, lake. Aim, 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 game, game. Aim, aim, name, name. Aim, aim, same, same. Game, name, same. Ain, 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 cane, cane. Ain, ain, lane, lane. Ain, ain, main, main. Cane, lane, main. Look, read and choose the words. The boys, same, bake, lane, main, lake. The cookies. The boys bake the cookies. Three ducks swim in the same bake, lane, main, lake. Three ducks swim in the lake. The lion has a same, bake, lane, main, lake. The lion has a mane. Their names are the same, bake, lane, main, lake. Their names are the same. The car is on the same, bake, lane, main, lake. The car is on the lane. let's review the phonics sounds. Ache, ache, bake. Ache, ache, cake. Ache, ache, lake. Bake, cake, lake. Aim, aim, game. Aim, aim, name. Aim, aim, same. Game, name, same. Ain, ain, cane. Ain, ain, lane. Ain, ain, main. Cane, lane, main. We're at the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.